Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have that Smell Good shop haul. This has been sitting for a while. I ordered this probably in June or July. That's how long it's been sitting around. I'm just getting caught up on hauls, so I'm just gonna do them as I can and then put them out when I can kind of work them in time-wise. So I feel like that Smell Good shop is one of those vendors that gets overlooked a lot. I feel like she has some of the strongest scents. I one time put just a small scent shot of hers in, and I seriously could have cut that thing into probably a sliver and still got a scent from it. I know that sounds a little dramatic, but I mean, this thing was strong. I was like, oh my gosh. So that's what I find with a lot of her stuff. If something's not performing in your house, grab some Smell Good shop and try that. If you're having performance problems or AC, I think this stuff even beats the AC out, which is pretty impressive. So I did get a sample in Cactus and Sea Salt. This is Vibrant Green Notes and Fresh Sea Spray. If you've had Cactus and Sea Salt, this is pretty basic. And I have had Cactus and Sea Salt mixed with other things before. I used to love this, actually. I don't know. This one will probably just go in the bathroom, and we'll call that one a day. I also got a scent of Blackberry, Laundry Day, and Pink Cotton, which was a customer blend. I think she even does customs. I don't follow her that closely, so I can't tell you all the information, but she does ready to ship restocks pretty much on the regular, and I think you can do customs with her. I've never done a custom. I've always just done ready to ship, so there's been plenty of stuff to order from her. This one is good. I like this one. You can smell the blackberry. I don't know what Laundry Day is, but I smell laundry-ish, and what smells kind of like clean cotton. So, all right, let's start with, let's start with one that Teresa T for Two had said that was one of her favorite scents. I was like, oh, let's just go in the big bag. Let's grab the biggest bag they make. So this is Deep Blue Sea, which is cool, salty sea spray, which is funny because I recently just said I'm done with salty sea air scents. So the fact that I picked this up, but it was on her recommendation. So I was like, and I do like this one. So this one is kind of like a salty sea air amplified. It has something a little bit different in here. I don't know if it's like a cologne. Teresa, if you happen to be watching this, I'd be curious to know what your take on this is. Yeah, it almost has like a cologne masculine going on. This one is really good if you like those ocean, fresh, clean air type scents. Maybe with a little bit of masculine. I feel like that's what I'm smelling, but I'm not 100% sure. So I have been trying lavenders from all vendors. I don't know. I'm really trying to get a grasp on all the different lavenders and trying them out. I do like lavender in general. This is an herbal lavender, and if I remember from what I smelled from it, it is yes, this one is very astringent lavender. Yeah, this one I might have to mix with a cotton candy or a marshmallow. Something to kind of tone this down, because this is a strong, I don't think I've ever smelled an astringent lavender before. Where it's that sharp. It's a sharp lavender. The herbal is coming off almost like a medicinal. No, I don't know if medicinal is the right word. I don't know. This one, I'm going to have to look into a little bit more. See if I can find some scent descriptions that make this make sense for me, because right now it's not making sense. I'm like, If anyone has tried that one, let me know. Or if you've had an herbal lavender that was just a little different. Now this one is fresh lavender and relaxing chamomile, and I can certainly tell that this one is a different lavender. Yes, this is a much softer lavender, and the chamomile know. This one's just nice. It's a chamomile. It's not, chamomile sometimes to me is, what's the word I'm looking for? This is a horrible day to do this because I am at a loss for words. This one is just soothing. It's like the lavender is definitely softer. It's more soothing. That's the best I can describe it right now. Cinderella. I feel like Miss Jones, was this you that had recommended Cinderella? I feel like you recommended something to me that I bought. I had to go look. You said Cinderella was good, and I'm like, oh, let me go see if that's in stock. I think you actually, this is your fault. This order was your fault. Because I saw, oh, Cinderella is in stock. Let me try this. Pink sugar, lavender, and linens. I think she said this was one of her favorites, or she liked it. And I was like, you know what, that does sound like a good cleaning day. Basically, since I'm cleaning every day anyways, it's fine. This one is pretty. I like this one. It's not heavy pink sugar. It's not heavy lavender. It's not heavy laundry. It's just like a good mix. You know how sometimes when scents, you get them and they just all mingle very well together? And it just makes one like solid scent. Now, when you get it on a warmer, I feel like, actually, you know what? I did get a whiff of the pink sugar and lavender. Yeah, I can smell that lavender in there. So this one is one of those, you know, sometimes you get them on a warmer and then something will pop out more than the other. So that could happen with this one. This one's good. I like that one. Thank you, Miss Jones, for the recommendation. Strawberry sugar, sugared lavender, bubble and squeak. This is a customer blend, and I thought this sounded so good. I don't even know what bubble and squeak is, but I'm guessing it might be is it like a baby powder smell? This one's good. Damn, this one's good. I did grab two, so I'll just show you the other one. Wow, this one's really nice. I like the strawberry sugar in here. That's a nice little component to lavender and whatever bubble and squeak is. I kind of feel like I might be getting, it's like a feminine smell, like a strawberry sugar feminine scent. I'll have to look up and see what bubble and squeak is, but that's nice. Love that one. Okay, I have been loving cool water scents recently, so I saw this and I thought, you know what, let's just get this one. Downy Clean Breeze, Blue Lagoon, and Cool Water. It's another customer blend. I think I grabbed two of those as well. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay, I can smell that Downy Clean Breeze really strongly in there. I don't know how much cool water I'm getting. This is very laundry. We'll have to see if that cool water kind of pops out when I warm it. This is good though. I don't hate it. So there we go. Okay, Ice Queen, Peppermint, Vanilla Twist. I realized that I'm running out of peppermint scent, so I grabbed some peppermint. I've kind of warmed through all of my peppermint stuff. Oh, this one is good. So this one reminds me of, what is it that I'm thinking? Is it Central Park Snow Globe from VCS? Kind of got that same, you know, peppermint with vanilla in it. I love this. Ah, love good peppermint. So I got that one, and then for the peppermint, I also grabbed pink peppermint, which is pink sugar and cool peppermint. This is pretty, yeah, this is pretty basic. This is like if you've ever had the pink sugar and peppermint. Pink sugar peppermint, I think, is what a lot of vendors do. It's pretty much that same thing. Peppermint is very strong. It's very nose clearing, so. All right, I have, oh, Blue Ribbon waffles. I love Blue Ribbon cookies. I don't know if you've ever, oh, so it says right there, Blue Ribbon cookies and pumpkin waffles. Blue Ribbon cookies was like a VCMA, I don't know what it was called, like a certified scent or something. I don't know, even know what that means, but only certain vendors could use it, I think. You had to be part of, well, I don't know, I don't want to say, but I just remember it was always like a VCMA something or another back in the day. Now, I liked this one when I first smelled it, but I don't know. I like Blue Ribbon cookies a lot. But I got like a zucchini bread smell when I first like smelled it, and I was like, what? I think my nose is reading it wrong, but I think it'll be okay. I'm getting the pumpkin waffles now, not so much the blue ribbon cookies, but if you've never tried, the whole point is if you've never tried blue ribbon cookies, try it by itself. It's great. I think I might actually have some blue ribbon cookies from somebody. Lavender eucalyptus, wild lavender and fresh eucalyptus. Again, I wanted to try another lavender. Oh, okay, so this one has, that lavender is kind of like that same as the herbal lavender. Oh, I don't know if I like this. This is, this might be a good, my husband might like this. Oh, okay, yeah, this one, I don't know. Eucalyptus, I thought I was kind of leaning back towards it, but I don't know. I may not be loving eucalyptus as much as I thought. Eucalyptus is a very unique scent, so I don't know about that one. Laundry day, fresh wash laundry, still warm from the dryer. So a lot of people must use this one to blend. Let's see what this smells like. Oh yeah, this is laundry. So if I was better knowing like all the different laundry brands, I could tell you this is Gain, this is Downy. But I'm just not that good. I don't know. I don't recognize this right off the top of my head. I've been using, oh my gosh, you guys, Downy, what are they called? They're the scent beads. I have it in sugared amber and grapefruit, I think is what it's called. Oh my gosh, best smelling scent. If you want to try like a new laundry scent for your laundry, love that one. I'll have to show it in my next video so you guys can see it. But it's in like this really pretty like pink and purple bottle, I think, or pink and, or is it purple and blue? I don't know. Super pretty bottle. It's Downy Unstoppables maybe, or Downy, no, that's not it. It's not Unstoppables. Okay, anyways, I just need to see that thing. I can't remember things worth a crap. Charmed Life, which is watermelon and lemonade. I grabbed another one of these because I had grabbed this before. I love watermelon lemonade. I never used to like watermelon. Watermelon lemonade, I can handle it. It kind of takes on like a sweet candy note, I feel like. So yeah, it's interesting. I never liked watermelon before, and now I'm like not even like bothered by it. Lavender Silk, again with the lavender and fresh linen. She doesn't say what kind of lavender this is, but okay, this is nice. I like this. The lavender is not offensive at all, like that herbal lavender, which I said I need to get on a warmer and smell that bad boy. This definitely has more. This has more of the linen scent to it. I don't know. I have a hard time detecting lavender unless it's something that I've smelled before. So I don't know that I'm getting, I don't know what lavender I'm getting in here, but it's not a lavender that I've ever smelled before. So I'll get back to you on that one. But anyways, that is my Smell Good Shop order. So yeah, I don't remember when that was placed, but it was a while ago. So it's probably outdated by now. I think she has a lot of fall scents going on. So if you want to try some of her stuff and you're into fall, I would say check her out for sure. I feel like she goes unnoticed a lot. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back again, and I will see you in my next video. If you've ordered from the Smell Good Shop, I know last time you guys gave me a lot of good recommendations. If you have any new favorites, please let me know, and I will be sure to check them out because I did this time and you guys did great. So definitely keep them coming because I like to take your recommendations. So thank you everyone, and I will talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.